Good evening, my dear students and everyone. Once again, I am here on my YouTube channel English with Ravi Sharma. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Today, we are going to discuss a very important topic, that is the role of time management or importance of time management. There is no doubt in saying that time management is extremely important for each and everyone. It's important for a student, a housewife, working woman, and other professionals. So time management is important for each and everyone. Starting from the point, in the life of students, time management plays an important role. If a student is able to manage his time effectively, then he can achieve success easily. So I want to tell you that students should learn how to manage their time properly. Like we can take the example of the students who are preparing for various competitive examinations. Sometimes they say that they are unable to clear that the examinations. It's basically because they are unable to manage their time properly. So once they will start managing their time properly, then they can clear those examinations properly. And second thing is that time management is important for discipline. Time management is the second name of discipline. If you are managing your time properly, then you can learn to be disciplined in your life. You can learn to be disciplined in your life, and once you are disciplined in your life, then you can become popular, or you can also do anything in your life. I would like to start from the point that a teacher should also be disciplined in his life. If a teacher is not disciplined, if a teacher does not come at right time in the class, then he can never become an effective teacher, or he can never become a good teacher. So being a good teacher, discipline is important. Being a good doctor, discipline is important. Being a good advocate, discipline is important. Discipline is important for each and everyone, and discipline will come through the time management. And third thing is that time management will boost up your self-confidence, and once you are having self-confidence, then you can do whatever you want to do in your life. I want to tell you the example of the students who are going to appear in any kind of interview. So sometimes they hesitate or they get nervous in these interviews. It's basically because they don't have that kind of confidence, and that kind of confidence will come through the time management. So time management is important for each and everyone. I would also like to talk about the examples of big celebrities like Prime Minister Modi. We can take the example of Prime Minister Modi. Prime Minister Modi is very disciplined in his life. That is why he is a popular leader. He is an effective leader. We can also take the example of Mr. Amitabh Bachchan. He is a good actor basically because he is very disciplined in his life. He is very punctual in his life. So we should learn the art of time management, because time management is life management. One more thing I would like to tell you about time management. The bad thing is that time is flying. The good thing is that you are the pilot. So if you are the pilot of this time management, then you can manage your time according to you. And if you fail to manage your time, then time will manage you. So it will be better that you should start managing your time. And once you will start managing your time, then you can achieve whatever you want to achieve in your life. So dear students, this is all about time management. One more announcement I would like to make here, that from next week onwards, I am going to conduct 6 classes. Like on Monday we will remain off, and on Tuesday and Wednesday I will upload the videos of English vocabulary. On next 2 days I will upload the videos of English grammar, and on next 2 days I will upload the videos of English speaking. So we will take care of each and everything. Since English is important in each and every part. Spoken English is also important, vocabulary is also important, English grammar is also important. So I am going to conduct the classes of each and everything. So friends, this is all about time management. We would like to meet in our next video. Till then, I wish you all the best. Thank you very much.